In the soft glow of moonlight, the day fades away.
With AI tools, you can create a custom lullaby for your child, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. Welcome to AI Family Helper, where we make parenting easier with the power of AI. If you're anything like me, getting your little one to sleep can feel like a real challenge some nights. So imagine being able to play a lullaby created just for your child, tailored to their unique world. That could be the magic touch to help them drift off into dreamland. First up, let's write some custom lyrics using AI. To get started, let's say you have a 7-year-old daughter named Olivia. I'll ask ChatGPT to write a lullaby for her in the persona of a lyricist. Let's say she likes running around the playground, ponies, and building sandcastles. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. You are a world-class lyricist. Write the lyrics to a lullaby for my 7-year-old daughter, Olivia. She likes running around the playground, ponies, and sandcastles. So we put that in ChatGPT and hit enter. Once we submit it, ChatGPT generates custom lyrics that feel personal and meaningful just for Olivia. Olivia's Dreamland. Verse 1. In the soft glow of moonlight, the day slips away. Dreams come to play at the end of your day. Run through the playground so happy and free, where ponies are waiting as swift as the sea. Then we get to the chorus. Close your eyes, sweet Olivia, rest your head. Sandcastles rise by the sea in your bed. The waves whisper stories soft as a breeze of ponies and playgrounds and castles of peace. Then we get to verse 2. The ponies are gentle, they'll carry you far, galloping under the sky full of stars. They'll take you to castles built high on the sand, with towers of dreams crafted by your own hand. Then we get to the chorus again, and then we go to the bridge. The world's full of wonder, but now it's time to sleep. The ponies will guard all the dreams that you keep. Run through the stars till the morning light gleams, and wait with a heart full of magical dreams. And then we get back to the chorus again to wrap up the whole song. Oh, and then it has a nice little good night, sweet Olivia. That's a nice little note from ChatGPT. And the great thing about ChatGPT is you can easily revise the lyrics by giving more prompts in your chat. So let's try. Olivia likes building sandcastles on the beach in Florida and really enjoys the playground swing. Please revise. So we put that in the prompt, and now it's going to give a more custom, more refined lyric. Okay, so now we have the revised lyrics. Okay, we got swing through the sky. So now we got the swing in there, and we got Florida. Sandcastles rise where the Florida waves spread. The ocean. Now we're talking about the ocean next to Florida. So they're just a little more specific. And as we know in writing, specificity is great. Another way to compare the two is we can just tell ChatGPT to compare the two. What did you change in the lyrics? Bold the changes. So here we go. Swing through the sky, feel wind on your face. Sandcastles rise where the Florida waves spread. Of swing sandy towers and stars by the moon, swinging like sunshine. And we got the chorus again, the swing and the waves. So now that we have the lyrics, let's explore 2 different AI tools for turning these lyrics into a beautiful lullaby. First, let's talk about Udio. Udio is a powerful AI tool that creates custom music from prompts. We want to start by heading over to Udio and logging in or signing up if you haven't already. They have a free tier, so you don't have to pay for anything to just play around with it. Now let's input the details for Olivia's lullaby. I want something soft and calming, so I'll use a prompt like, compose a gentle lullaby for a 7-year-old girl. The song should help her relax at bedtime with a slow, soothing melody. Okay, so we put that prompt in here, and then you can choose what type of genre of music you want. So there's a lot of cool ones, but since it's a lullaby, let's do melodic. And then we have a good amount of lyrics. So let's not do 30 seconds. Let's do 2 minutes for the clip length. And then lyrics, they can make their own, auto-generated, or since we went to ChatGPT already, we can write the lyrics. So I put the lyrics in here. I think we're ready. So we click create, and there we go. So we have 2 different songs. Let's try Olivia's Dreamland.
In the soft glow of moonlight, the day fades away. Dreams start to dance at the close of your day. Swing through the sky, feel the wind on your face. With ponies beside you in a magical place. Close Close your eyes, sweet Olivia, rest your head. Sandcastles rise where the Florida waves spread. The ocean hums softly, the breeze sings a tune. Swing sandy towers and stars by the moon.
Well, that is just lovely. And if we like that one, we can go over here and go to download. Let's listen to the second one, Dreams Under the Moon.
In the soft glow of moonlight, the day fades away. Dreams start to dance at the close of your day. Swing through the sky, feel the wind on your face. With ponies beside you in a magical place. Close your eyes, sweet Olivia, rest your head. Sandcastles arise where the Florida waves spread. The ocean hums softly, the breeze sings a tune. We swing sandy towers and stars by the moon.
Oh, those are two really great lullabies. Both of them are soft and sweet, which is what you're looking for in a lullaby, and they definitely capture the essence of what I was looking for our made-up daughter, Olivia. The great thing with Udio is you can have it write its own lyrics for you and just eliminate the whole ChatGPT lyrics step. So all we do here, we put that back in the prompt section. Let's do 30 seconds to just hear it. And then auto-generated. So, gotta remember the melodic. Okay, it's melodic. And we're gonna go create. While it's creating these for us, we can look here at all the different other songs that people have created on Udio. There's trending ones, staff choosing different ones. You can go by categories. You can definitely get lost in Udio just listening to AI music. And here we go. Now we got two other versions of this lullaby with new lyrics. Let's hear how it compares.
In fields where ponies roam so free, and castles built by the gentle sea. Close your eyes, dream tenderly sweet. Rest now, child, in slumber soft as heat. To dreams of ponies gentle and white, in castles of dreams you safely hide.
I like the song Dreamscape of Ponies, but it didn't feel as personal of a lullaby because it didn't have those personal lyrics that we already wrote. But I definitely put that in my Spotify playlist if I'm looking to just chill. And then we have Whispers of the Night.
The stars dance above your head. Close your eyes, let dreams be said. Honey's prance and castles rise. In the land where magic lies. Dreams awaiting soft and bright. Guiding you through the peaceful night.
It feels, to me, a little general. It doesn't feel like it's capturing the essence of all the details that we worked so hard to craft in the ChatGPT lyrics. But in a pinch, if you need something super fast, if you can't take 3 minutes beforehand to write a lullaby, you could just go straight on and have them write the lyrics for you. Now, Udio is great, but there's another tool that's more well-known in the AI music space, and that is Suno AI. So you want to head over to Suno and log in. Now let's input the exact same prompt to see how the results compare. We're going to go over to Create. And since we have lyrics, we go up to Custom. Click that. Custom Mode. We're going to put our prompt in here. Gentle Lullaby. And then we put the lyrics in there. With the title down there. And I think we're ready to go. We click Create. And just like Udio, it's going to create two different versions. All right, so we have two different Olivia's Dreamland. Let's try the first one.
In the the soft glow of moonlight, the day fades away. Dreams start to dance at the close of your day. Swing through the sky, feel the wind on your face, with ponies beside you in a magical place. Close your eyes, sweet Olivia, rest your head. Sand castles rise where the Florida waves spread. The ocean hums softly, the breeze sings a tune of swings, sandy towers, and stars by the moon.
That sounded more like what I was imagining as a lullaby. I gotta say, I feel like the AI singer in this one sounded a little more robotic than the Udio one. Let's see if the second version is any better.
In the soft glow of moonlight, the day fades away. Dreams start to dance at the close of your day. Swing through the sky, feel the wind on your face, with ponies beside you in a magical place. Close your eyes, sweet Olivia, rest your head. Sand castles rise where the Florida waves spread. The ocean hums softly, the breeze sings a tune of swings, sandy towers, and stars by the moon.
There's another lullaby sounding song. It's interesting they both have a lead-in with music in the beginning, where Udio, they just get right to the lyrics. Just like Udio, you don't have to include your own lyrics. You close the custom thing, and you just give the prompt right here. So we're given the same generic prompt. Create. So here we go, Dreamer's Paradise. They're both called Dreamer's Paradise.
Moved away, my little star. Night falls calm and wide. Ponies dance beneath the moon. The sand castles by your side. Close your eyes, sweet girl of mine. Dreams are on their way. Listen to the whispering breeze, guiding you to play. Dream of ponies running free, galloping through streams. Sand castles tall and proud they stand in your lovely dreams.
And I should note, they include all the verses right here on the right side, so you can read along as it plays. Let's try the second Dreamer's Paradise.
Drift away, my little star. Night falls calm and white. Ponies dance beneath the moon. Sand castles by your side. Close your eyes, sweet girl of mine. Dreams are on their way. Listen to the whispering breeze, guiding you to play. Dream of ponies running free, galloping through streams. Sand castles tall and proud they stand in your lovely dreams.
So that's another one. Here's my biggest takeaway. I like the songs better when I share my own lyrics. This is another example where AI is great, but you have to keep coaxing it and keep refining it to get it exactly where you want it. And the first draft is usually not a great draft.